Yeah, it's nasty.
This is the Leipzig 1. I think that's what it's called. Check it out. The only one in the world. It's a 1 series, factory 1M panels, M3 brakes. Yo, let's pop the hood on this thing so everyone can see. By the way, this is where we're having our show. Bum, bum, bum. December 6th, 8 p.m. Make sure you're here. Our BASEL 2019. Check this out. Acropovic exhaust with the carbon fiber. Well, with carbon fiber tips. Manual. It actually has an E92 cluster. Oh man, and boom! If you didn't believe it, here it is. V8 from an E92. These things sound crazy. Let's go for a drive.
You can handle it?
I can handle it.
Right,
I mean, I hope so. I'm excited for the noise, really. All right, so first impressions are, I love it.
I know, right? Yep. It's nuts,
Am I going this way, right?
Yeah, you're right. Yep.
Wow.
That's the whole point of this car. The point of this car is to make anybody who's in it be extremely surprised, and anybody who's out of it wonder what the hell it is. And it brakes really well too.
Yeah, I can tell. M3 brakes, right?
E92 M3 everything pretty much, just shoved into a 1M body. You have room on the left lane, so.
I wasn't sure if that was a cop behind us, but
No, you're good.
you kind of can't hide too much anyway with this car.
This car sounds and gives away the fact that you're asking for trouble pretty much.
So here, you'll be able to hear. Look at this guy.
That's a Camaro.
Look at
And
this
now
guy.
this is us. We got more.
Wow.
He's trying to fit the right suction cup.
You good? Yeah. All right, do yourself a favor and M mode on.
M mode on. All right.
So that stiffens up the suspension. Throttle response gets a lot more sensitive, and stability control is a lot more limited now, along with traction.
And it makes the car really quiet, right?
Extra quiet, actually. It makes it as quiet as a Rolls Royce.
Cool.
So did you feel it wake up? You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
So usually in comfort mode, you're running at around like 75% power.
Okay. And now?
Now you're running at probably around closer to 90, just because traction control is going to be limiting you on that last 10%.
I think the sound that it makes is like, it can be.
It's addicting.
Yeah, and it can be really slow. And even if it was slow.
That's why in the canyons it does so well. You're not going fast in the canyons. You're just ringing out second gear. You left the fattest black strips on the pavement.
Wow.
Yep.
That was a really smooth, nice little.
No. It's stable. The car is stable at the end of the day. It's not an unsafe car. It's dangerously fast, but it's not unsafe. Alright,
let's go back.
Make it right. Final impressions. What would you rate the car out of 10? Honestly.
Final impressions?
Honestly, what would you rate the car out of 10?
So it's got my heart going, it's got my adrenaline going, it's got a huge smile on my face.
Yes. So smiles per gallon over miles per gallon.
Big time. and the noise, I think it's what makes it all.
Yes.
The noise and the size, because if you're in an M3, it's a little bit bigger. This is so compact with the same noise, the same adrenaline, and it brings it that much more. Yeah, it brings it that much more just because it's so little. It's great. I fucking love it.
It's Taz. I'm telling you, it's Taz.
Yo, like, subscribe. Peace.
Dope.